Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with another nice prize. It's a 1977 Kawasaki Z400. This one's being drawn on the 29th of January and the tickets are $2.99. You can get them as always on our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. What I'm going to do now is just show you around the bike and we'll start her up. As you can see, it's cold, touching the exhaust and not hot. It's a really nice little bike. It looks all like it's been fully restored. This lovely blue colour scheme, paint's really good, everything's really nice. We'll give it a good full service as well. So yeah, not much to say about it really, just a nice 400cc twin. So I'll show you how to start it. Stick our switch on here on run. Got our ignition key here that needs to be on. And we've got a fuel tap on this side. There is prime, on and reserve, so usually you stick it on prime first and that puts the most fuel in the carbs. And you've also got a choke on this side that will put the lever up on. You've got a kickstart and an electric start. Starts quite easily on the electric start, so rather than kick it and get it dirty, I'll just press the button and hopefully it'll start. It starts up pretty quickly, and you keep the choke on for a little bit and then just turn it off when it's idling a bit better. And then obviously turn your key to turn it off. There's no off position on the taps, just on, reserve, prime like I said, so just leave it on. So yeah, nice little lightweight 400cc classic. If you fancy a ticket, like I said, go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com and good luck if you enter.